All right. Good afternoon, everyone. This afternoon, we'll be looking at this wonderful question. Here is square root of 2 raised to the power x times, square root 4 raised to the power x plus 1 times square root 8 raised to the power x equals to 16. As simple as ABC. We'll look at it together. Is that clear? If there's any idea you want to share, just drop it in the comment section. I'll be very grateful. We are all learning. As long as mathematics is concerned or education is concerned, nobody is perfect. We learn from each other. It's okay. Yeah, I saw this online and we are looking for someone to help solve this wonderful question. And I promised the person that I will solve it on my YouTube channel today by this time. And here I am. So let's do it together. But before we begin to solve this problem, there are some certain things I want us to know and understand in mathematics. That is the basic. Is that clear? So let me just write them out. At least, assuming you have, let's just say you have a square root of b equals to 2. If you want to square this, if you want to square both sides, it means squaring both sides will now affect this and this. So if you now say square both sides, because we are going to do something like this, square both sides, it means a will now be squared times b square root of all in brackets square equals to 2 raised to the power 2. That is the meaning of square both sides. So this implies that here will be a square times this square root will cancel when you apply indices. If we have root b, this is the same thing as b raised to the powers of 1 all over 2. Then, assuming we have raised to the power 2 again, so this implies that this is all in bracket raised to the power 2. So this times this is b raised to the powers of 2 all over 2. You can now see b, true or false. Okay, so if you agree with me, here will be b equals to raised to the powers of 4. Do you agree with me? Because we are going to come across things like this. So if you don't have this basic or this knowledge, definitely it will be difficult for you to understand what I'm about to solve. Is that clear? Any question? If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. Please, I want you to like, comment, and share. I'll be very grateful. Is that clear? Okay, yeah. So let's go ahead to solve this question. If you agree with me, let's go ahead to solve this wonderful question. Here is the question. 2 raised to the powers of x root 4 raised to the powers of x plus 1. This is a square root times square root of 8 raised to the power x, then all in what? Square root. It's a very interesting question. Equals to 16. Amen? Yeah. Okay? So how do we evaluate or solve this type of questions? Yes. Before one can be able to solve this, you should know your indices very well, because we are going to apply indices here to solve this problem. So as I was saying earlier, it means, as you can see now, the square root, this square root affect the whole of what is inside there, true or false. So we are going to take the first square root. So let's write. We now write square what? Both sides. Amen. Square both sides. So when we square both sides, we have done it earlier before, true or false? It means this is what it will be. It means we are going to have 2 raised to the power x, then square all in square root of 4 raised to the powers of x plus 1 times square root of 8 raised to the powers of x, then equals to, since square both sides, is going to be 16 all in what? Square. Amen? Yeah. So you can now see that we are able to remove, out of the 3 square roots, we are able to remove 1. True or false? Remember this and this. True or false? Any question at this point, please drop it at the comment section. No question? Okay. Yeah, let's proceed. So, for us to eliminate this square root, it means we need to eliminate this one, true or false, by saying squaring both sides. True or false? Look at the board very well. Look at the board very well. Look at the question, the board very well. Can you see now? So it means we are going to square both sides again. Now say, taking the square root of both sides, or square both sides. Square both sides. So this implies that because of this, we want to square both sides. So it means it will now affect this one too. Is that clear? So if we square both sides, this is what we are going to have. 2 raised to the powers of x, all in bracket raised to the power 2 times 4 raised to the power x plus 1, then times the square root of 8 raised to the powers of x equals to square both sides. It means we are going to leave it in this form, 16 all in square, then open another bracket again, all in what? Square again. Because if we don't do it this way, if we want to apply, since it is raised to power 16, 16 raised to power 2, it means this is 16 times 16, which is 256, right? It's going to give us 256. It means it will look complex. So I just want us to have it in this form so that we can be able to at least expand or factorize or evaluate it at our own level. Is that clear? So this is what we are going to have. Then it means out of the 3 square roots, we are able to remove 1, then remember 1. So what we need to do is for us to take the square roots on both sides again. So it means if we take the square roots, that was one of the reasons why I taught you the basics earlier on, true or false. So anything I'm doing here, I don't think you'll be confused. So if we take another square root, square both sides, if we square both sides, amen, square both sides, if we square both sides, it means this is what we are going to have, 2 raised to the power of x, all in bracket square. Already, it says square both sides again, so we are going to have another bracket, all in square. Then, here we are going to have times 4 raised to the power of x plus 1, all in square. Then times what? 8 raised to the power of x. This is equals to 16 all in square, right? Then all in square raised to the power 2. Then all in square raised to the powers of 2 again. Can you see now? So at least at this point, we are almost there. True or false? We are almost there. True or false? Because we just need our basic indices. Then at the end of the day, we will arrive at the answer. Any question, please drop it in the comment section. Do you have any question? Amman Aruna Said. Good afternoon. Where are you watching from? Please, I want you to like, comment, and share. I will be very grateful. Thank you very much. I'm still in school. Yeah, I do private class, online classes for people and students overseas and nearby. So if you need online private classes, I will be very grateful. I can do that for you. I'm still in school. Yeah, I'll drop my WhatsApp number here. I'll drop it here. Kings, I'll drop my WhatsApp number so that you can WhatsApp me here. This is the number here, 07033667737. Yeah. Anyhow you want it. You need physical classes or private physical online classes. Anyhow you want it, sorry. I'll be there for you as long as mathematics is concerned. Is that clear? So I'm going to break it down for you, the mathematics. Is it for your children or your or your cousin brothers or your daughter, anybody? So this is my number. You can reach out to me. Okay, so can we continue? Kings, that is my number. I don't know. That is my number. Oh yeah, plus, yes, plus 03366. Which country are you watching from? Yeah, this is my number. I'm from Nigeria. Yeah, and at the same time a lecturer at Kaduna Polytechnic. Here to deliver for you. It's okay. Yeah, so this is my number. You can reach out to me through this number. Just chat me up or drop a message. I will get back to you. Is that clear? It's okay. So can we continue? I've written the number. Can we continue? Kings and Aruna, that number plus 2347033667737. But may I know the country you are watching from? I'll be very grateful. It's okay. So let's continue. Amen. Yeah. So as you can see now, you don't need a prophet to tell you, two of us, because in may I claim this? I can claim this up, right? Like in indices, when we have x raised to bracket raised to power x, you use this x to multiply. This is power. So we apply what is called power law, two of us. So when we use power law, this is power, this is power. Use both of them to multiply each other. So x times 2 or 2 times x, you are going to have 2 raised to the power of 2x. Do you agree with me? Then here, look at it here. It means this multiply this gives us this. But still, we still have another power again, raised to power 2, two of us. So this implies that 2 times 2x is going to give us 2 raised to the. Do you agree with me? So it implies that this 2x times 2 will give us 4x. So here, let's come here. Please look at the board very well. Let us come here. This is 2 raised to power x, all in bracket raised to power 2, open bracket again, raised to power what? 2 again. So it means we can go by this 2 2, because all of them are powers. 2 is power, x is a power, true or false? So 2 times 2, 4 times x is 4x. So here we are going to write 2 raised to the power of 4x, then times the same thing applicable here. Any question at this point? Do you have any question? Yes or no? No question? Okay. So if there is no question, now look at it here. We have 4 raised to the power of 1, all in bracket raised to the power 2. So this is x plus 1 is power, 2 is power. So it means this power will multiply this. So it means this is what we are going to have. X raised to the power, so use this 2 to multiply x. We are going to have 2x. Then what we have here? Plus the 2 times 1 is 2. So it implies that here we are going to have 4 raised to the power of what? 2x plus 2. Then times 8x raised to the power of x, 8 raised to the power of x, true or false, equals to, we are going to do the same thing here, 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. So here we are going to have 16 raised to the power of what? 8. Yeah. Do you agree with me? Any question? Please look at the board carefully. If you have any question, please ask. Drop it in the comment section. I'll be glad to respond back to your question. Any question? Do you have any question? Yes or no? No question. No question. It's okay. So, okay. Yeah, if there's no question, hope Kings and Aruna, you have written down the number. I can clean this part, right? Okay. Yeah. So if you can see what I am saying here, you don't need a prophet to tell you. You don't need a prophet. Yeah, you don't need a prophet. As you can see now, at this point, what we need is, what is the least value here? The base. The least base here is 2. True or false? And thank God that we have 4 here. We also have 8 here. So we can what? Reduce it to what? Base 2. We can reduce this to base 2. We can also reduce this to what? Base 2. Also this to base 2. True or false? Yeah. So if you can see what I am saying, this is the same thing as 2 raised to the power of 4x times 2 raised to the power of 2 open bracket 2x plus 1, true or false. Then times 2 raised to the power of 3x. Or for the sake of Malians that don't understand this thing, let's put it in this form, times open bracket raised to. Then here is 2 raised to the power of 4 open bracket 8 raised to power 8. True or false? Because 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8, 16. Can you see now? So 2 raised to power 4 is 16. Already we have 8 here. True or false? Any question? Do you have any question? Any question? Yes or no? No question? Okay. Yeah. So let's look at it together. Amen. Let us look at it together. So here we have 2 raised to the power of 4x times 2 raised to the power of, use this 2 to multiply this bracket, 2 times 2x, and we are going to have 4x, true or false. Then 2 times 1 plus 1 plus 2. Then dots, use this power to multiply this power, 3x. So 3 times x, we are going to have 2 raised to the power of 3x. Then this is equals to, amen? Yeah. 4 times 8 is 32. True or false? So here will be 2 raised to the power of 32. Can you see now? Can you see now? Are you seeing what I am saying? So you can now see that you have to be grounded in indices. Otherwise, you won't be able to solve this problem. If you don't have the idea of indices. So at this point, you can now see that at some point, we apply indices from here down. We have been applying indices. True or false? It's true. Okay. So far, so good. If you can see what I am saying, you don't need a prophet to tell you. True or false? Look at the board very well. Amen. Okay. Yeah. So let's proceed. Let us proceed. So, in indices, this one is multiplying this, true or false. And if the bases are the same, what do? We pick one of the bases and add the powers, true or false. So here we have 2 raised to the power 4x. Here we have 2 raised to the power 4x plus 2. Here we have 2 raised to the power of 3x. So it means we pick one of the bases, then we have the power. So here we pick 2 raised to the power of 4x, then plus 4x plus 4, 4x plus 4 plus 2, then plus 3x. Then this is equals to 2 raised to the power of 32. Amen. Did I commit any offense? Putting it or leaving it in this form? No, I doubt. As long as you are a mathematician, you should understand what is here. You don't need a prophet to tell you true or false. Is that? Yeah. So you don't need a prophet to tell you. Both the left hand side and the right hand side, the bases are what? The same, true or false. So by the time this and this go, you can now see that the left hand side, we are going to have 4x plus 4x plus 2 plus 3x equals to what? 32. You can now see that we have reduced this to a linear equation. True or false? From 3 square roots, we are able to reduce it to what? A linear equation. So what we need to do is we are going to, go and write. We are going to collect like terms. We can have this 4x plus 4x is what? Is 8 plus 3x. We are going to have 11x plus 2 equals to 32. Hope I did not make any mistake. Look at the board. Let's look at the board together. True or false? Is there any mistake? Look at the board together with me, please. Look at the board very well. Yeah, somebody should look at the boards. All of us, we are learning. So I want us to look at the board. If there is any mistake, please let me know. And we look at it together. Amen. Is there any mistake? Okay. Okay. Let's take it. Take it. Take it all over again from here. If we square both sides, we are going to have this and this. This is this. True or false? Yeah. Then, if we square both sides because of this square roots, this is what we are going to have. We have this. Yes, we are right. We have this. Then equals to this. Yeah. So this implies that this is 2 raised to the power of 4x. 4 raised to the power of 2x plus 2 times 8 raised to the power of, because by the time you use this one to multiply, use this to multiply and multiply this, then equals to, use this to multiply this, we have this, true or false. So we have to reduce the base to the least base here. We can reduce 4 to the least base, which is 2. We can reduce 8 to the least base, which is 2, true or false. So look at it here, 2 raised to the power 2. All in bracket 2x plus this is the same thing as this. Then 8 raised to the power x, this is 2 raised to the power 3, open bracket, close bracket, raised to the power x is the same thing as this. Then equals to 16 raised to the power 8, it means 2 raised to the power 4, all in bracket raised to the power of 8. Is the same thing as this. True or false? It's true. So at this point, we multiply out this times this, give us this times this, give us this times this, give us this. 4 times 8, 32. So as you can see, we pick one of the bases since they are the same. Then we raise it to the powers, add them up. True or false? So 2 raised to the power 4x plus 2, look at it here, plus 3x equals to 2 raised to the power of 32. Then this cancel. We now reduce it to what? A linear equation. True or false? We have 4x plus 4x plus 2 plus 3x. So this is 11x plus 2. So at this point, if plus 2 crosses the sign of equality, it becomes what? Minus. True or false? Amen. So here will be 11x equals to 32 minus 2. True or false? So far, so good. We are going to have 11x is equals to 30. Then therefore, our x is equals to 30 all over 11. Do you agree with me? Or is there any mistake that you discover? Please let me know. I'll be very grateful. So look at it. So this is where we are going to stop. Is that clear? Do you have any question? Look at the board very well. Do you have any question? Yeah. Mashood, after taking square root of 4, yeah. Oh, there is a mistake. After taking square root of 4, yes. Where? Is it here? Is it here? Yeah, yeah. Is it from here? If we take the square root of 4, let's look at it together. This is where you are talking about. Here will give us 4. True or false? Yeah. By the time we take another square root here, it will affect this and this again. Then this will still remain as 8 raised to the power x. Then all in bracket raised to the power 2 again. Where exactly, please? I will be glad to learn from you. Let's look at it together. You will say something. The last line. The last line. Oh, is it here? Or here? Are you talking about here or here? Please just write the, is it the last line of this part? The last line of this part. Please, I want you to identify it so that I can get it easily. Is it 16 raised to the power at the line of 16 raised to the power 8 or where? Please, I want to learn from you. Yeah. The left side of the last part, the left hand side Okay, the left hand side of left hand side here. Is it here? Is it here? Are you talking about here and here? Because I know that if what you are saying, if we have x raised to power 2, all in bracket raised to power 2, yeah, this is the same thing as 2 raised to the powers of x times 2 raised to the powers of x. And as you can see, that the bases are the same, so we just add the powers to give us 2 raised to the power of x plus x, which is equals to 2 raised to the powers of 2x. True of us. Yeah. So by the time we use this one to multiply, it will still get back 4x raised to the power of 4. Where are you talking about? Where? Okay, after that, it means after that, you said after that is it here? Is it this line? After that, this line? Or here? Because here too is the same approach. It's the same approach you will use. Yeah, you are going to use the same approach because since it is what? 4 raised to the powers of x plus 1, all in bracket raised to power 2. So this is the same thing as 4 raised to the power of x plus 1 times 4 raised to the power of x plus 1. What we need to do is not to add the powers. So here will be x raised to the power of 4 plus 1 plus x plus 1 plus 1. So this plus this is 2x plus this is 2. Is it not the same thing we got here? Oh, yeah. It's 2x, but okay. I still reduce it to this base. So I'm supposed to have 2 here. So, right. Okay, here. Yeah. Here is supposed to be 2. Thank you. I've seen the mistake. Thank you very much. Not 1. Yeah, I've seen the mistake. Thank you very much. I'm very grateful. Masood, where are you watching from? Which country? Thank you very much. I've seen the mistake. Yeah. Where are you watching from? Which country? Which country? Okay, yeah. Thank God that, I mentioned it to you. All of us, we are learning. And in mathematics, nobody above mistake. I was too fast to consider the 2 here. You can now see that I got it from here, 2 of us. Here we're going to give us 2x plus 2. I mentioned it, yeah. So I'm very grateful. God bless you. Yeah. So let us, it means this answer is wrong. Take note. This answer is wrong. That is mathematics for you. So what we need to do here is, let's take it all over from here. From here. Amen. Amen. From here, let's take it all over. That is mathematics for you. Thank you for my shoot. Okay. Yeah. That is mathematics for you. Here, I forgot to put 2. Instead of 2, I wrote 1. Okay. So, it means let's proceed. Amen. Thank you. Please like, comment, and share. I'll be very grateful. Okay, so here will now be 2 raised to the powers of 4x times 2 raised to the powers of 2 times 2x, 4x, plus 2 times 2, 4. Amen? So I'm right. So 2 raised to the powers of 3 times x is 3x equals to 2 raised to the power of 4 times 8, which is 32. Am I right? Mushud. Thank you very much. I love you. Yeah. Oh, you are watching from Pakistan. Thanks for being with me. I'm very grateful. God bless you. Okay. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm not the best, but I'm trying my best. I'm very grateful for your comments. Amja, I'm very grateful. Thank you. Oh, you are watching from Pakistan. How are you over there? I hope you love mathematics. You know, life of mathematics is always beautiful with Mr. Osi. It's okay. So, can we proceed? Okay, so as I was saying, the bases are what? The same, two of us. We have 2 here, we also have 2 here, we also have 2 here. So what we need to do, we pick one of the 2, then add the powers, 2 of us. So we now write 2 raised to the powers of here, 4x, then plus 4x plus 4, 4x plus 4, yeah, plus 3x, amen? Then equals to 2 raised to the powers of 32. Thank you, Mushud. I'm very grateful for your correction. God bless you. I love that. Okay. So let's this and this we cancel, 2 of us, to give us a linear equation 4x plus 4x plus 4 plus 3x equals to 32. Amen? 2 of us. It's true. Did you find any mistake? Please look at the board. Thank you, thank you. I'm very grateful. Yeah. Did you find any mistake here? Look at the board. Okay, no mistake. It means we can have this, and this, because they are the same thing. 2 of us. This is 4x, this is 4x, and this is 3x. We can add them together to give us what? 11x plus 4 equals to 32. Amen? 2 of us. Yeah, it's true. So at this point, this is a linear equation. So we just need to find the value of x. So how can we find the value of x? Is for us to what? Collect like terms. 2 of us collecting like terms. Collecting like terms. Yeah. Please, those who are watching from Pakistan, if you have any mathematical issue, you can at least send me a message through my WhatsApp number. I can help you out with your project, work, or anything. Is that clear? Yeah. So here, when we say collecting like terms, it means those that are like 4 and 32. They are like, and 11x will be on one side. But mind you, this is plus 4, right? If plus 4 crosses the sign of this equality, it becomes what? Minus. So here will now be equals to 32 minus 4. Amen? Yeah. 32 minus 4. It means we are going to have what? X, 11x is equals to what? 28. Am I right? Look at the box. 28. True or false? Am I right? Oh, I'm right? Okay. So if I'm right, let's look at it together. If I'm right, it means we divide through by what? 11, two of us, so that we can obtain the value of x. So at this point, what we need to do, We now write divide through by 11. It means here will be what? 11x all over 11 according to this statement, true or false. Then equals to 28 all over 11. This and this we cancel. Then the final answer is going to be x is equals to 28 all over 11. This is the final answer. Any question? Please, do you have any question that you want to ask? Drop it in the comment section. I will attend to you. Any question? Do you have any question? No question. I love that. Hamza. Yeah. There's no question. I love that. Oh, okay. This question is a question from someone that sent this question to me, help him solve this problem, which I have done that. So, far so good. We are going to call it a day, but those of you that want to have private online classes with me, I will write my email here and my number here so that you can reach out to me for your children, your nephews, in fact, your process students who want to learn more about differentiation, integration, and the rest, anything mathematics. I want to understand English. Is that clear? I'll use English to teach. This is my number. Plus 234 70 33 66 77 and 37. Then this is my mail, Max OSI 85 at gmail.com. Yeah, you can reach out to me through this. Either you drop a mail or you chat me up and I'll be glad to respond back to you. Yeah, any further question? Any further question? No. This is plus 234 70 33 66 7737. Then this is Max OC. This is OSI 85 at gmail.com. You can reach out to me, or you can also reach out to me here. Remjoc Maths, where you go online, just type Remjoc Maths, JOCM, either on Facebook or Google. I'm the founder of this Remjoc Maths. Is that clear? So you can learn mathematics anywhere you find yourself with me. So thank you for your patience. Thank you for your time. I wish you a wonderful day. See you guys later. Bye. Love you guys.